At the end of the video, we'll point you to a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot. Setting up an LLC, limited liability company, for investing can be a smart move for various reasons, such as asset protection, tax benefits, and organizational flexibility. Here's a general guide on how to set up an LLC for investing. 1. Research and planning. Determine the type of investments you plan to make through the LLC. This could include stocks, real estate, or other assets. Research the legal and tax implications of forming an LLC in your jurisdiction. Regulations may vary by country and state/province. 2. Choose a name. Select a unique name for your LLC that complies with the naming rules of your jurisdiction. The name typically needs to end with LLC or Limited Liability Company. Check the availability of your chosen name to ensure it's not already in use by another business entity. 3. Registered agent. Appoint a registered agent who will receive legal and official documents on behalf of the LLC. The registered agent must have a physical address in the state where the LLC is formed. 4. File articles of organization. Prepare and file the articles of organization with the appropriate state agency. This document officially creates the LLC and includes basic information such as the LLC name, address, registered agent, and purpose. Pay the required filing fee, which varies by state. 5. Operating agreement. Draft an operating agreement, which outlines the ownership structure, management, and operating procedures of the LLC. Although not always legally required, an operating agreement is crucial for defining the rights and responsibilities of the LLC members and helps prevent disputes in the future.
6. Opting an ein.
Obtain an Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the IRS. This unique 9-digit number is used for tax purposes and is necessary for opening bank accounts, filing taxes, and other financial transactions. You can apply for an EIN online through the IRS website. 7. Bank account and funding. Open a business bank account in the name of the LLC. Keep personal and business finances separate to maintain limited liability protection. Fund the LLC by transferring assets or capital into the business bank account. 8. Compliance and ongoing requirements. Fulfill any additional state-specific requirements, such as annual reports or fees. Maintain proper records of LLC activities, including financial transactions, contracts, and meeting minutes. Stay compliant with tax obligations, including federal, state, and local taxes.
9. Consult professionals.
Consider consulting with legal and financial professionals, such as attorneys and accountants, to ensure compliance with regulations and optimize tax efficiency. Setting up an LLC for investing involves legal and financial considerations, so it's essential to approach the process thoughtfully and seek professional guidance when needed. Thank you for watching. As we conclude this video, go to the description below this video for a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot.